Welcome back to the channel. We've got yet another Twinkly product to add to our ever-growing collection of Twinkly products, and that is a Twinkly Reindeer. Now this is the stag. This is the bigger out of the two. There is a stag and a doe available. And this of course has got the antlers and stands at 125 centimeters tall, I believe. So in this video we're going to do a full unboxing, setup, and we're going to check out the functionalities. Come and join me and I'll show you everything. Now of course it's slightly less manageable than the other Twinkly products I've unboxed. Of course, while I'm unboxing this, I will tell you that I've got a playlist dedicated to Twinkly on our channel, which is getting updated regularly with different Twinkly products. And of course, if you're interested in any of those, I would definitely recommend you go and check them out. We love Twinkly products. So already this is looking absolutely awesome. Now I've got to say, I've had reindeers in our decoration, in our display in the past, and they just haven't been that great quality, but this is looking absolutely fantastic. Let's shift this box out of the way. Okay, now I'll try my best to show this on the camera. There is an instruction booklet in there, that's not too important. Here's the main thing. We've got the head down here, of course the body here, plugs and all that. Okay, a little bit of an awkward unboxing video this one, given the size of it. It is rather large. But we're going to get into the setting up process of this outside. But we'll talk a little bit more about it first. And there is of course all the electrics. Show you now, all packaged up nicely. And of course this is rated for outdoors, so you can use this indoors or outdoors. As with any outdoor decoration with a plug on it, it is waterproof or resistant up until this point here. So these pins you always need to protect. We use electric boxes which are weather resistant. You open them up, you put an extension lead inside, and you can then plug that in there and close the box over the top, which works perfectly for us. Of course, in the end of this we've got our receiver with a button on, and this is used for connecting it to your phone. And that's it for inside the box. Oh, we've got some pegs here, pegging it to the ground. I think I'm going to use some of the ones, we've got some better ones than this, but I've still got them nonetheless. It comes with cable ties too. Little cable ties, and then these pegs to peg it to the ground, which are handy really, but I think I'd rather use some better ones. So that's it, let's get this up outside and set it up, and then when it gets dark a little bit later, of course I will plug it in and show you all the functionalities. I think this is going to look amazing. So first of all I wanted to show you how this head goes onto the body, and it's done with these two pins you can see, and another pin there, and it sort of pokes through, and then the other pin slots into that hole. Very simple setup process, and you can see me doing it here now. You start by doing the two front pins, and then it sort of folds backwards, and that last pin slots into place. And then lastly, of course, it's the antlers. These are done similarly. They simply slot into place. And there's a closer look. You can see there the little hole, and then it just slots in. So there are cable ties that come with it, and you can cable tie the head together, which I did a little bit later, just showing you the height there. It is a very tall piece. And there's lots of wire on this, and you can see the electric box in the back there. I'll plug that in a little later. And here's some of the functionalities. This is magic band, magic rainbow, twist vertigo, 3D flag, 3D rainbow, Rotor, snow, rainbow, snake, bright twinkle, fireworks, candy cane, sparkles, horizontal flag, vertical flag, waves, up down, diagonal, sunset, vintage, glow, move and blend, fixed, carnival, pale rainbow. This is an effect I edited, it reminds me of the Eiffel Tower. Candy, Halloween, some effects work better on other products, you'll notice that with Twinkly. Eclipse, cool sky, peachy, $24K future, paradise, bliss, cotton candy, sherbet, wed day blues, rosy valentine, mint, flare, night sky, rainbow stripes, Christmas spirit, prism stripes, tartan, holiday strobes, bright tribe, tropical, solar sparks, unicorn sun, Miyaka, birthday streamers, rainbow rain, molten rainbow, raster, dreamy flow. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have, don't forget to like and subscribe.